Steve, we've made the big time.
Yes,
Kit
we
Plus. We're on Kit Plus at NAB 2024.
Yeah, Kevin, we have. We're on the big time here.
So, Steve, we've got some significant enhancements to the PHABRIX Qx Series here at NAB 2024. Should we go through them with the customers?
Yes, please. I think everybody would be very interested to hear what's going on.
So, lots of our customers are now working in a hybrid environment of both SDI and IP. And I know one of the huge frustrations has been on the PHABRIX, you're monitoring SDI, you then want to switch to an IP source, and it has to reboot and reconfigure.
Yes, we've handled that now. Now that we have a new load that is a single boot load, and you can switch seamlessly between 2110 and SDI.
Excellent. But don't take our word for it. Shall we show everybody?
Yes, most definitely, Kevin.
So here we have an incoming source, and if we want to select the SDI, we simply push the SDI input.
And we're on SDI.
We're SDI. And if we want to go back to IP, we simply click the IP.
So Kevin's just pushing the input connectors
Between SDI and IP.
and it's switching seamlessly.
Yeah. So this is really going to change the way people operate. It once again enhances the PHABRIX Qx Series, which has become, one of the de facto IP and SDI test and measurement tools,
Yes.
not just for broadcasters, but also for professional broadcast equipment manufacturers.
Yep.
So if they're using the kit to test the products you're buying, what should you be doing? So thank you very much for joining us here on the Kit Plus video. Sid, if you're still at the show, we're in the Central Hall C5521. If you'd like to visit our website, it's www.leaderfabrics.com, and you can catch up with more videos from the show at the kitplus.com website too. Steve, it's good seeing you again.
Yes.